the stock which is reversing now is UPL. It dipped into the red. It's a fresh 52-week low on UPL after the company has lowered the FY24 revenue and EBITDA guidance. They're now looking at a just 1 to 5% top-line growth and the EBITDA growth at 3 to 7%. And Q2 is also going to be subdued for them. It's only in H2 that they are anticipating a recovery. Sonal, you've had a look at the UPL numbers. Take us through the numbers and the commentary and the guidance.
Well, guidance is the most important bit, Rima, and you spoke about it already. But yes, it has come in as a dampener because cutting their revenue growth guidance from 4 to 8% to just half, that's around 1 to 5% from an agrochemical major, definitely talks about how much pressure that we are seeing in the global industry as well. They've cut their FY24 EBITDA guidance as well from 6 to 10% to 3 to 7%, and guidance was something that we were watching out for as well. They say they anticipate demand to remain subdued in Q2 of FY24. However, they expect performance to be sequentially better and to recover completely, or at least to some level from second half of FY24 as well, and that is where they think that things will reverse. As far as why the profit number is lower versus the EBITDA number, that's because there have been one-offs. The company has accounted for a 57 crore rupees loss from a joint venture, and also there is an exceptional item of 19 crore that is a loss versus profit that came in the previous 2 quarters as well. So that is the reason why EBITDA margins are at 17.7%. Profits are much lower than what the street was working with. In terms of their presentation as well, if we talk about what the growth has looked like across regions, in Latin America it's down 15%, in North America it's down 56%, in Europe it's down 19%, rest of the world is down 10%. That's UPL Corporation. Now they've started giving their numbers in terms of segments as well. But yes, they say there's significant decline in herbicide volume and prices and product bans in Europe, and that is something which will continue to impact for next couple of quarters. Some recovery is what they're expecting only in the second half. They do say demand at the grower level continues to be strong and channel inventory is normalizing, but that will only be seen from the second half of FY24. In the first half, they will continue to see some pressure, and that's the reason some impact on the stock as well.
Okay, got that. A lot of volatility on the UPL stock there. Thank you, Sonal. Lots of inputs coming in. The big headline being there, the guidance cut for FY24. Ruben, I want to get your view on